Hey YouTube, how is it going? The February has gone and the March has come. It's not a big surprise that the weather is pretty much didn't change. It is still cold, dark and snowy outside, so I spent most part of time at home drinking hot coffee and hugging my cat. And frankly, there is one more reason to stay at home, because my Finnish language course has started again. So today I'll tell you about Finnish language. March in Finland is considered as the first month of spring, but you will not find any sign of it outside. So to my mind it is still winter. And the weather is as cold as it was last month. That's why you would probably not want to go work out or have a coffee with a friend outside. And it is the best time to expand skills and learn new things, such as the Finnish language. Okay, I think it is better to begin with the fact that Finland has an integration program for immigrants. When I had arrived, I registered in TE-toimisto. It is a government organization that provides assistance in job search and employment. And among many other things, it helps immigrants to integrate. First of all, of course, it led me to Finnish language course. How does it work, you may ask? It's a full-time 5 days in a week language class. Every day we start at 9 a.m. and end at about 2 p.m. Nowadays the class is online, so I don't need to go to another city to attend it. But a couple of years ago, before pandemic, it was an offline course, and students from Outokumpu, the city where I live, had to go to Joensuu, the district capital. It's about 50 kilometers, so I bet they spent the whole day for the road and class. I prefer to study online, of course, even though I'm sure that offline classes are much more efficient. The school provided me with everything I needed. They sent me a complete set of student books. These are two Oma Suomi books, the very new version of them. They came by post mail, and my teacher told that they are mine now. The school also sent me an internet router, so I don't need to buy a very expensive Finnish internet access card. And moreover, they suggested to send me a laptop in case I didn't have one. Fortunately, they didn't have to do this. My laptop is working fine. Okay, I think I have to say a couple of words about Finnish language itself. Oh, it's horrible. Don't get me wrong, I like studying new languages. Finnish is considered as one of the hardest languages to learn, and it really is. I don't know many languages though, and my mother tongue is Russian. Russian is even worse for foreign students to my mind, and thankfully Russian and Finnish have many in common. Moreover, Finnish is like a mix of Russian and English languages, or maybe vice versa. I will give just a short example to let you know what you would face with if you decided to learn Finnish. Finnish is an agglutinative language. It means that it refuses prepositions, but it likes suffixes and postfixes. A very simple and common example sentence for any first language class would be "a book is on a table." In Finnish it would be "kirja on pöydällä." Kirja means a book, on means an auxiliary verb is, and pöytä means a table. If I want to put a book on a table, it would be "minä laitoin kirjan pöydälle." And if I want to take a book from the table, it would be "minä otan kirjan pöydästä." So how many tricks do you see here? Umlauts under letters A and O. The word pöytä, a table, changes really oddly. Prepositions of place are disappeared and weird word endings arose. So there are a lot of questions, and it is the most common sentence. But nevertheless, Finnish is awesome, and the whole situation is amazing to my mind. I don't know if it is possible to study languages in other countries in that way, free, full-time, with a teacher. But I didn't hear about it. Write in the comment section below if you know some examples. Okay, what about programming stuff? We spoke about inheritance and encapsulation, so a video about the last common OOP topic, polymorphism, is on my channel. Have a look. Polymorphism is a very interesting concept. Obviously, one video is not enough to consider it fully and exhaustively. But brief explanation is that polymorphism allows us to use one block of code for different purposes. Of course, there are a lot of different things needed to make everything work, but using polymorphism principle can help to organize the program better, make it clear and easy to maintain and support. In this video about polymorphism I showed how we can use one simple for each loop to print different blocks of HTML code. Even though HTML blocks look differently, we can organize the render process that way so the main render function would parse them correctly, and it doesn't matter how they exactly look. The web page would be perfectly correct. Okay, March was as cold as other winter months. I hope April will be better, brighter and warmer. We will find out it soon. But that is enough for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and see you very soon.